In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your Toast account to BarGuard, including how to create your API credentials and get your Location GUID. Before starting, your Toast account must have Restaurant Management Suite, also known as RMS. If you do not see the ability to create API credentials, it means RMS is not enabled on your account. In that case, contact Toast support and ask them to enable RMS. Log into the Toast Developer Portal and create a new set of credentials. Select Standard API. For the credential name, enter BarGuard. Next, you'll need to select the required API scopes. Select the following 7 scopes: Cache Management Read, Config Read, Kitchen Read, Menus Read, Orders Read, Restaurants Read, and Stock Read. Once all 7 are selected, click Confirm. After confirming, Toast will generate your client ID and API secret. Copy both of these and save them somewhere secure. You'll need them to connect BarGuard. Next, you'll need your Location GUID. Option 1. In Toast, click Edit Location IDs. You'll see your bar or restaurant listed with a 32-character ID. This is your Location GUID. Option 2. If you don't see it there, open Toast web chat support and ask, "Can you provide my Location GUID?" They will send it to you directly. Now, log into your BarGuard dashboard and go to the Integration section. Select Toast and click Connect. Enter your client ID, API secret, and Location GUID. Then confirm the connection. Once connected, BarGuard will begin pulling your sales data from Toast. To complete setup, upload or scan your invoices into BarGuard so your inventory data is accurate. Once these steps are complete, your Toast account will be fully connected to BarGuard.